Okay, let's continue with the practice paper. So today we are going to look at this one. 2. Okay, lesson notes 2. Okay, characteristics of various forms of living things. And before we do that, okay, let's clear worksheet 3 first. Okay. Okay, come, Harith, what's your answer for this question? Have you tried it? If you've tried it, you can tell me the answer. If you haven't, then just do it on the spot now. Okay, no issue.
D.
Hmm? D, is it?
Yes.
Let's see. Why do they grow on the tree trunks? Okay, very good. They do so to get more sunlight for photosynthesis. Yeah. Okay. You have to try it on your own instead of looking at the answers. Okay, Hari, just a reminder. Okay. Let me just check. Yeah, let me look. Where is my drawing? Okay, insert. Where's my pen? Let me see. Let me find my pen. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let me find where is my. Hey, where's my drawing pen? Give me a minute. Let me look for it. Give me a minute. Let me look for the thing. Give me 1 minute to look for the draw function. Yeah, shapes. Last week. Where is my highlighter? Design animations. Give me a minute.
Mr. Wah.
Yes.
Yeah, hi. Sorry, I'm Hari's mama.
Yes.
You know, we tried to print the worksheet, right? But it says that we don't have the access. So I already highlighted to the admin.
Oh, okay. Can. No. Okay, but you have the soft copy or not?
No, don't have. So I cannot even like see what is in it.
Okay. On my screen, this is number 4. Okay, let me just show you number 4. Okay, this is this one.
Mm-mm.
You have it. You don't have
No, we
access
don't.
to it.
We don't have access. It's written. It showed as I don't have access to it. So I already told
Okay.
them. Yeah. Then they are checking it out.
Okay, not to worry. So how about the online version? The online
I
version.
can't. I can't access anything.
Oh dear.
I can't access any materials. Yeah.
Cannot access any materials. Okay, let me just check a live tutorial. Okay, I get it. So okay, never mind, madam. Since we're still working on worksheet 3 now, so worksheet 4 isn't in the hasn't we haven't reached worksheet 4 yet. Okay, so not to worry. Yeah, so not to worry. So
Mm-mm.
okay, can. But right now I'm
Okay.
looking for my drawing pen. Okay, after my computer updates itself, everything rearranges. Okay, that's the problem with
Oh,
technology.
can.
Give me a minute. I'm just looking for my drawing pen.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay, where's my drawing pen? Give me a minute. After it updates, everything's don't know where it is. Ink annotation. Where is my pen? Headers and footers. Where is it? Is there anything? Give me a minute. Add-ons, images, symbols. Text. Haris, do you know where the pen is? Drawing.
Yes.
Where is it? yesterday, last lesson, I was using it to show you, all the highlighting. Then suddenly today gone. Oh, give me a minute. Let me just find it. Insert symbols, media. Okay, wait. Design, no. Transitions, no. Animations, no. Slideshow, no. Record, review, no. View, even worse. Okay, wait. Tell me what you want to do. I want to write. Where's my pen? Okay, it's here. Okay, it's got it up ready. Okay. Okay, so that it can get more sunlight for making food. All right, Haris, you're right. Okay, I've got it up. Okay, let's look at the next question, Haris. Here, study the chart below. Okay, what conclusions can be made from the information given? Okay, look at the chart here, right, Haris? This is a flow chart, and it shows us that, okay, there are, should I say, organisms X, Y, Z. Okay, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, there are 4 organisms, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, and the characteristics are also shown in this flow chart. Okay, so Haris tells me, okay, just as an exercise for us, okay, what are the characteristics of organism W?
It is
Mhm.
alive.
It is not alive, is it? Okay, it doesn't make its own food, that means it's not a plant. No hair, that means it's not a mammal. Does it reproduce of its own kind? It doesn't reproduce, so it's definitely not a living thing. Very good, Haris. So so just give me an answer now, Haris.
D.
You think answer is D, is it? Okay, let me just see. Wait, where's the pen again? My gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do pen. Okay, here. So your answer is the color D, is it?
Yes.
Okay, which can be given. Okay, so the animal is not alive. That's true. Okay, the animal is not alive here, and Z is an animal. Is Z an animal? Yes, it's an
Yes.
animal. Okay, although it's not a mammal. Okay, X can trap sunlight. Yes, it's true because it can make its own food. Okay, Y gives birth to life young. Okay, yes, because it's covered in hair. So all 4 options are correct. Answer the D. Good, Harith. Harith, it's really your own answer. Just to double check, you cannot look at the correct answer and tell me. Okay, come. Next one, Harith. Maybe I also do a highlighter. Okay, highlighter. Okay. The highlighter is doing better. Okay. Can see very clearly. So what's your answer, Harith? Hey, we have done this question,
D.
right? Harith, we've done this question before because my answer is here, remember? Harith, we've done this
Yes.
question before, remember?
Yes.
So, okay, because see the answer here. Okay, so let's go to the next. Okay, study the following correct statements, all right? So which characteristic of life is illustrated in the statements here? Okay, this groan is to like, shout in pain, okay, to groan, okay? Groan is to shout, okay, to groan. What's your answer, Harith?
My answer is D.
Response. That's right. Okay. All these are reaction. Okay. They're reactions of this boy, this bird, and the plant that's growing. All right. These are all examples of reaction. That's why answer is response. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next.
B.
D, is it?
B.
B. You mean B. Okay. Omnivorous bird. Yeah. So same thing. Study the following information collected. Okay. What can you conclude? Yeah. R is a flightless nocturnal bird. Nocturnal, Haris, nocturnal means active at night. Okay. So maybe can you write in a text box here, active at night, okay? Okay, so he has feathers on his body. Feathers on his body, yeah? So it's definitely a bird, yeah? So bird is definitely true, but do you know it's an ostrich? No, no clues, yeah? It feeds on animals and plants. So definitely omnivorous, yeah? Okay, digs its nest. Okay, digs a nest within dense forest vegetation, yeah? So this one is um none of the statements here talks about this. Okay, it normally lays one egg, one large egg, but does that mean that it's an ostrich for real? We also
No.
don't know. Yeah, that's why we can only say for sure it's omnivorous because it feeds on both worms and berries, plants and animals. Okay. Next question. Try.
Mm,
Okay, study the following information about animal H. Yeah. What conclusion can you draw? Okay, the information is here, Haris. These are the information, all right, Haris? The information are these bulleted points, all these points here, these are the information. So which statement A, B, C, D can be conclusions? That's what they are trying to say. Haris, are you thinking about the answer?
yes.
Slowly, take your time, yeah.
B.
You think it's B, is it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Let's get my highlighter up again. Okay,